These are your 3.1 notes. You probably do not have this paper yet, so if you need to wait until you get back to do this, that is fine. So, the goal of solving two-step equations is to get the variable, that's our letter, by itself on one side of the equal sign, and get the numbers on the other side. So step one, we're going to combine like terms with addition or subtraction. And after that, step two will be to get the variable or the letter by itself by multiplication or division. So this is kind of opposite of the PEMDAS or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. First we add and subtract, and then we'll multiply and divide. So, the x is over here on the left side of the equation. So, my like terms, who is like the 10? Well, the 2 is. They're just numbers. So, I need to move that 2 over first. To move that 2, the opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. That marks out what I do to one side, I have to do the other side of the line. So on the left side, I have negative 4x, and on the right side, 10 minus 2 is 8. All right, step one done, check. Now I need to do step two. Well, what's going on between the negative 4 and x? I don't see anything. When I don't see anything, I know it's being multiplied, so I know I do the opposite. So that'll mark out. I'm left with x equals negative 2, and that's my answer. We're doing exactly like we did the other day. This is just adding one more step. So the first thing I need to figure out is who is like the negative 2. Sorry, who is like the 4? Well, obviously the negative 2. Those are just numbers. How do I move a minus 2? I add him. Marks out on that side. Negative 2 over 3x is equal to 6. All right. What's going on between that negative 2 over 3x and the 6? Sorry. What's going on between the negative 2 over 3 and the x? Well, we know it's multiplication. So I'm just going to divide by negative 2 over 3. You could also flip it and say negative 3 over 2 and multiply whichever way you are more comfortable with. The second way is the true way we do it in Happy Math Land, but I'm completely content if you remember to divide. X equals 6 divided by negative 2 over 3 will be a negative 9. And I just typed that in my calculator just how I see it. In this one, our x is over here. He is on the right side. So that means everybody else needs to get to the left side. So who is like the 9? Well, it's the 14. So that's who I need to move first with addition or subtraction. There's two ways to look at this. If we look at that and we see that positive, then I can say minus negative 14 minus negative 14. That's one way. The other way is to say that's a negative 14. The opposite of negative is positive, so I'm going to say plus 14. Either way you do it, you will get the same answer. You're going to get a 23 equals, that's going to weigh 7x. Now, I need to get the x alone, so the 7 needs to go away. So it's being multiplied, so I need to divide it. 23 divided by 7 does not come out well, so we're just going to leave it right like that. All right, last practice. The 15 is over here. I need to move the 6 over to be with it because they are the same. I'm going to subtract 6. mark that out. 15 minus 6 is a 9 equals x divided by 2. The opposite of divide is multiply. Multiply. 18 equals x. So that's how you do these problems. Take your time, write everything out. After you've taken notes, flip over to the back of your notes. You have this page on your notes on the back. I need you to do the 10 problems on here. And when you're done, turn it into me. Do number 1 through 10.